today, we're gonna be learning how to ride a dirt bike. Okay? See, I already made a video on how to ride a dirt bike too big for you, right? Like one that you can't reach the ground on. You see, I can kind of reach the ground on this arm 250. But I don't care, even if I couldn't, I would still ride it. I used to not be able to, you feel me? That's why I made the video. I used to be 5 foot tall. Like 5 foot even. Don't mind this. The thing's supposed to be on the bottom of the screen here. Somewhere in my garage. So anyway. This bitch right here, the arm 250. See, see, y'all strong because y'all work out. I'm strong because I handle dirt bikes for a living, baby. So, you know what I'm saying? So this your R250. Gaps 450s, you feel me? Hash Ricky Carmichael. So, R250. Well, this is about dirt bikes in general. See, if you got a semi-automatic, that means it ain't got no clutch. That means this right here, which would be on the left side of you, this isn't there. Alright? It means there's nothing there, not a throttle, nothing. But this should always be on your bike unless you take it off front brake. Okay? Okay, so, and the front brake is always gonna be on the left, even if it's not there. That doesn't mean they took this shit off because they said fuck it. Or it's not gonna be on the left, it's gonna be on the right. Right where the throttle is, the gas. The throttle means gas. So on the left side, if you twist the left side grip, you see how it don't move or it don't make no clicking noise. And it's also gonna be a cable right here connected to this. So when you hit it, gas, throttle. So, this is a hand throttle, so you use it with my hand, so whenever you hit it, make sure to let that bitch back go. Because if you don't let go of it, it's not going to stop going. Unless you blow it up. If it don't, even if it blows up, nigga, it's still going to be going. Like, you got to learn how to brake. Don't be slamming these front brakes either. Can you slam these front brakes on dirt, trails, whatever, nigga? And you like this, and you're dead. The shit cartwheeling over you, your head on the floor, like your neck bending over your body, like, oh my gosh. But yeah, anyway, look, they don't got, some dirt bikes, they have electric start. Most of the time, if they got electric start, it's gonna be on the right side right where the gas and the front brake is, like we discussed, right? So you could, you gotta have it. I think for most of them that got electric start, you gotta have a key, right? And then, but if it's a semi-automatic, some of them got kickstart too. You just gotta, if most of the time, I'll give you a trick with some of the old school 250s. I don't know if this applies to the new 250s. You gotta get a bit at the top, right? Let it click one time. Then kick it with all your might. I'm not gonna start in here. The garage closed. Right. Oh, it's in here. All right, check this out. All right, yes, I know y'all see that. That is, it ain't in gear. Oh shit! What the hell? I can't do it. Alright, this should be working. Alright. So look. You wanna let it click one time? You wanna let it click one time? Kick it with all your might. See, I ain't really kick it hard because I can't start it because it's closed. Anyway, so look. Check this out. So once you get started, 4-stroke or 2-stroke. With 2-stroke, you gotta mix the gas with the oil, then put it into your gas tank, okay? 4-stroke, it's gonna have a place for the oil, then a place for your gas. So you don't gotta mix. You could look up the mixtures, like everybody has their own preference, like you know what I'm saying? But anyway, check this out. If you're riding 2-stroke, if you're riding 4-stroke, you just gotta put some oil in the thing for the oil and some gas where the gas thing on. So most bikes, well, if you're riding a Chinese bike, right? I think SSRs you go one down. Like if you're riding like a Apollo, I'm pretty sure the 125 Apollos you go 4 up and 4 back down to go back neutral. So if you ride an Apollo, well, like nigga, if you ride anybody, you want to pop it in gear, right? If it's a semi-auto, you got to then take off. Then once it revving really loud, like it's a 4-stroke. But if it's a clutch, it's the same thing except this right here. You gotta let off the gas, then switch the gear. Okay. So alright, anyway. When you're on a clutch, most bikes with clutches, except for like Apollos, but like I think with the SSRs, most bikes with they clutch, yeah, pop them in gear. Most of the time it's gonna be one time down. If you don't like a Chinese bike, sometimes it might be one time up. You wanna hold the clutch in, you wanna That's how you do it.